friends, today's video is about a Star Wars rebellion who transformed from a rebellion to a Clash Royale legendary troop, Magical Archer. So today I am going to say a theory video that how he transformed from a rebellion to a legendary troop. If you all don't know what is Star Wars Rebels, then please Google it and also get information from there. I am giving a short information of that. Star Wars Rebels is an anime or cartoon launched by Disney. So that is about some rebellions who tried to rebel against the evil empire also named as Samrajya. At last, in the season 3 last episode, everyone saw that the rebellions could get out of the evil hands of that Samrajya. So after that, there became a period of spiritual invention. So from there, Kanan, a person named Kanan, who also known means a Divya Shakti was known to him. He knew some magical powers which is also named as Divya Shakti. So after that he came to a forest for spiritual meditation. Years passed by, thousands of years passed by. His hair became white. As he was doing meditation and also with magical powers which is known as Divya Shakti, his clothes also changed and he also changed. Little bit hair growed on his chin and on his eyebrows, and he changed a little, but still his face is remembered by all. After that, when he rose up from the meditation, he found a magical arrow floating on the hands of him. When he throwed his left hand, he found that a new magical bow came to his hand. It appeared from nowhere. No one knew that from where it came. But yes, it was his improved Divya Shakti which God gave him after being impressed on him. When he threw that magical arrow from the magical bow, everything that passed in the way of the arrow or that came in the way of the arrow died. This was in the Clash Royale arena. When the king of the Clash Royale arena saw that yes, such a troop could make us win, he invited the troop in winning the game. As the troop was also rebellion, he thought yes, I could join it. Then he told yes, I will join, but I have one condition for what I can join. Everyone should be easy availing me. I should be of less elixir so that everyone could get me. He told yes, and you will be also the rarest troop in the Clash Royale arena, which is also known as legendary. His type became legendary. So now he became a legendary troop of Clash Royale arena. Everyone saw that he threw a magical arrow which killed everything coming in the path to a very distant area. This was his magical powers that he got after meditation. Here also we get a small moral that if you keep calm, meditate yourself, you could be something that no one had been before. If you do something that no one has done before, then you could also get something that no one had got before. So here we can see that Magical Archer got his superpowers. After more spiritual meditation, he also got golden superpowers. His hair got golden, his eyes were brighting golden. This was the result of the gold spiritual meditation in Clash Royale arena. This was the gold collection which he got. These are some pictures of magical archer throwing his magical arrow from his bow. He became the best archer ever in history. So this shows that meditation could make us something that no one had before. So keep calm, and it's my advice to those who get angry often that keep calm and think of ways how you could get out of the problems that's happening on your life. I'm sure if you meditate and slowly and simply think of the problems and the way of getting out of it, you will always get the way. This is proved in history many a times. Just try this once. I am 100% sure if you try this from your pure heart, then yes, it will happen. Thank you. From this, I am ending my today's video. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, press the notification bell and set it to all, and also share the video to others, and also them who are angry, who became often angry. So it's my request that if you share it, everyone will get to know